Welcome to Bird Paradise Singapore, where nature sings and wheels glide. Today, I'm taking you on a tram shuttle ride like no other. As we board this charming open-sided tram, we're greeted by scenic views of this vast aviary haven, home to hundreds of exotic birds from around the world. The ride is smooth, the breeze is gentle, and everywhere you look, there's something magical. Birds flying freely above, families smiling, and the soft rumble of the tram making its way through leafy paths. It's not just a ride, it's a moving window into nature. From colorful lorikeets to majestic hornbills, you catch glimpses of vibrant life around every corner. The ride is perfect for all ages, elderly visitors, children, and photographers who want to capture the park's essence without too much walking. If you're ever in Singapore, don't miss this peaceful and beautiful way to explore bird paradise. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey, one track at a time.